Got it. So, actually, before telling about the character, I want to share something.
Oh, sure.
எனக்கு தமிழ் வரும் ஆனால் இந்த மாதிரி ஸ்டேஜில் இஃப் ஐ ஹேட் டு டாக் ஐ வில் பி ஃபுல் டென்ஸ்ட் பிகாஸ் நார்மலி ஐ கேன் பேசிக்லி கன்வே ஸோ டுடே ஐ நீட் டு டெல் ஸோ மச் ஸோ ஐ பெட்டர் ஸ்பீக் இன் இங்கிலீஷ். First of all, 3 years back when I came here to act in Veppam, I thought I don't know anybody there in Chennai. It's one big city. I don't know the language. I don't know how I will be received. But today, Chennai has become home, and I made a lot of friends, lot of family. I think that I'm most pampered in only two places. One is my in-laws' place, and other is Chennai. Whenever I come here, there's so much of respect and love and appreciation. So I want to thank you all for that. I hope you'll love the songs of our film and also the film. I made some great friends like Vijay, Ravi and all, and family members like Kaniyanna, everybody. So I never felt like this is some other place. It's more like my home. After Nani, the first time I had any interaction with public was when I was shooting for Needane and Panvasantham Telugu version in Chennai streets, Chennai colony and all that. And then when I had that counter with the public, then I realized how much they actually loved me, and I want to thank everyone, each and every person for that. And today it's Yash Raj Films South in launch, and launch in South, and Aha Kalyanam is their first film in South. So I'm very happy and honored to be a part of this film. Also, I want to thank everyone in my team, Gokul, director of the film. He's been amazing. And there is what I really like about Gokul is that he listens to everybody and then he does what he wants. So there's a saying in Hindi, they wanted me to talk in Tamil, but if I speak in Tamil, again, because I dubbed in the film in Tamil, so you'll only remember this Tamil when you see the film. So I don't want you to remember this at all. Because normally I'll nicely talk to everybody during the shootouts, but now on the stage I get a little nervous. Please, so bear with me. So Gokul was amazing to work with, and whatever I expected him to do, I think he did some 10 times more than what I expected him. So thank you so much, Gokul. And today's birthday boy, Taran. I loved his music in Poda Podi, and then I think definitely this is a much better product music-wise. Always in my films, when I'm shooting for the songs, we hear the songs 100 times and then we get bored of it by the time of the audio release. But I promise for next 3 months, Aha Kalyanam songs are going to play in my car every day. That's the impact Aha Kalyanam songs have on me, and it has a major repeat value. So thanks, Dharan, our creative producer, Padam Garu, been a backbone for this project. So thank you, everybody in the team, our cameraman Loknath sir, for every visual, every frame. He has done a fantastic job. So thank you, sir. Our direction department, our managers. I'll just go on and on if I keep talking. So thanks everybody. And also, last but not least, our Ramya, anchor. She had high fever today, but she came to the function. So Ramya, without you, Aha Kalyanam would have been incomplete. So thank you so much. Thanks to all of you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much, Nani. Aha Kalyanamல உங்களோட கேரக்டர் பத்தி தெரிஞ்சுக்கலாமா?
சக்தி கேரக்டர் பேர் சக்தி. ஒரு படம் எல்லாம் ஒரு கல்யாணம் பேக்ட்ராப்ல தான் இருக்கு. ஸோ இஸ் த most useless and jobless fellow in the beginning. Obviously, what happens to him, and this film is more about the chemistry between the lead pair. So you should watch it on screen because whatever we say, it's like self-boasting or just praising the film like any other function. I don't want to do that. This film you have to watch it on screen. And thanks to my co-star Vani for being such an amazing co-star. Because during the shooting also, one day we were very good friends and one day we were fighting and irritating each other. So that's what was needed for the film also. So I'm sure it all transformed onto the screen into chemistry.
வாணி நானி. ஸோ வாணியை எப்பயாவது வா நீ அப்படின்னு எங்கேயாவது கூப்பிட்டுருக்கீங்களா? எங்கே வெளியே போகலாம், ஷாப்பிங் போகலாம், அந்த மாதிரி?
The names were coincidence. We didn't plan it. We didn't change heroine's name. That's the name actually.
இல்ல அவர் என்ன கேள்வி கேட்டாருன்னா விஜய் நீங்க தான் சொல்லுவாங்க. வாணிய நீங்க வாணி அப்படின்னு முதல்ல கூட்டு போன இடம் இது அப்படின்னு
கூட்டிட்டு போனீங்கன்னு கேட்டேன். அப்படியே சமாளிக்கிறாருன்னு நினைக்கிறேன்.
My name doesn't have a meaning like that. Something like that. Nani means
நானி மீன்ஸ் எப்படின்னா ஒவ்வொரு பசங்களும் வந்து
me like
அவனை பார்க்குற மாதிரி இருக்கும். நான் தாமா அவன். அது நானி. அது விட்டுருங்க. வாணி அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு அந்த ஹீரோயின் எங்கேயாவது கூட்டிட்டு போனீங்களா?
No comments on that.
நோ கமெண்ட்ஸ்.
அப்ப மௌனம்